Hello, my name is Ina. I'm a landscape designer. Welcome to educational channel Garden Boom, where I share my 12 years professional experience and knowledge about garden design, matching plants for flower bed and so on. In this video, I'll show you the idea of flower bed and the process of creating. You will know how to design plan without mistakes and choose right plants for sun or partial shade area. The plants from this video will fit for gardens from 5 to 8 zones. Before I'll show you the flower bed which we will discuss in this video, here are 5 interesting things you should know about me. First, I was born in Kazakhstan and my native language is Russian. Some of you can't recognize it because of my accent. Second, I have a master's degree in design and like to share my experience, knowledge, and the priority topics of my articles and videos are simple tips which helps landlords to transform their gardens. Third, I like travel a lot, research plants in botanical gardens and nurseries. Now I'm based in Phuket. That's why usually I create projects for my clients and cooperate with landscape design companies remotely. Fourth, my background in work after education at university is construction job with hardscape and softscape. So in every project I always understand how to realize idea from paper to real life. As a landscape designer, I work with private clients and major companies. I prefer to create easy care gardens using professional software, for example, for flower bed and plants, which I'll show you in this video. I've used Archicad and Procreate. Fifth, I like collaborate with colleagues because that's one of the ways how we can exchange our experience and become more creative, more effective in our job. That's why I visit professional events and follow trends. Now I work as freelancer, but also I am open to work offers, so I put under the video link to my LinkedIn account for professional networking and website with portfolio. Also, I have shop on Etsy where gardeners can buy pre-made plants and order the custom landscape project. So let's go to the topic of this video. At the beginning, I would like to share experience about choosing idea and inspiration. I like mixed, unexpected, grass, leaves, texture. First of all, I think about emotions and mood of future flower bed, and then I find things and stuff which match with this mood. And now I'm talking not just about plants, it also can be different materials, decorations, and so on. When I'm confident with idea, I start to collect plants for it. And here is very important to understand climate of area, light requirements, and type of soil. For this case, I've chosen easy care plants for well-drained soil. When I create the composition, I use Archicad, where I model simple version with combination of forms, and after that I use Procreate for colorful front view. All plants I draw up in Archicad, and that is the list of drawings which make the process of planting flower beds for gardeners very comfortable and no stress. These plants show which and where all plants should be. Look how simple and easy can flower bed transform area near the fancy. The main particularity of this flower bed is egg-shaped garden lamps. So we create special atmosphere and create a little world around this flamingos sculpture. We get an effect like in Disneyland, where we can see not only character but also complement environment around it with other things. And I think that this method of decoration perfect for gardens where landlords has children. Here is the list of plants for this flower bed, and also I've used couple secret plants which I show on plan and describe in project, which you can purchase at link below. So I invite you to my shop on Etsy. There you will find full package pre-made plants, show you how plants flower bed, and also there you can order custom landscape design project for backyard, front yard. Thank you for watching. It was very exciting for me make first video in English. Be my guest and share your feedback, questions in comments below. And for more ideas about garden design, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you soon. Have a good day. Bye.